Hi there! Today I'm going to talk about tips and tricks with resting and spreading JavaScript objects. Don't forget to write in the comments if I missed something. So let's get started. Trick number 1. Adding properties to object. Clone an object and apply additional properties to the cloned object at the same time. The user is cloned in this case and the password is stored in user with pass. Trick number 2. Merge objects. Combine two objects to create a new one. User 1 is formed by combining parts 1 and 2. Objects also can be merged with this index. Trick number 3. Exclude object properties. Destructuring in conjunction with the REST operator may be used to delete properties. The majority of the assets are returned as REST after the password is ignored. Trick number 4. Dynamically exclude properties. The prop argument is passed to the remove property function. The prop can be dynamically omitted from the clone using computed object property names. Trick number 5. Organize properties. Property listings are not always in the order we want them to be. We can bring properties to the top of the list or shift them to the bottom using a few tricks. Until spreading object, add ID undefined to the new object to transfer ID to the first place. Password must first be destructed out of the object before it can be moved to the last property. Then, after spreading the piece, set the password. Trick number 6. Default properties. Default properties are those that are only set if they are not present in the original object. In this case, user 2 doesn't have any isDeveloper in it. The setDefaults function ensures that isDeveloper are set on all objects, otherwise it will be set to false. The return value of setDefaults with user 2 will contain isDeveloper. When calling setDefaults with user 3, because this user already has isDeveloper property, that property will not be modified. If you want the defaults to appear first rather than last, you can write it like this. Trick number 7. Renaming properties. A function can be created to rename properties by combining the techniques above. Consider certain items that have an uppercase ID but should be lowercase. Begin by removing the ID from the object. Then, as the object is being distributed, add it back as an ID. Thank you for watching this video. If you have learned something new, then like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and happy coding!